Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where you cannot create a new folder in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart the File Explorer process. How would you do that? So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Wait till it loads and right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. The next solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar. Open the malware removal tool. Okay. Click on next. Choose full scan. Select next and finally let it run through. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to perform Windows update on the computer. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.